Garlic fried rice is a really tasty treat. Cabbage gives a really good taste in fried rice. On the other hand, spring onion gives the miraculous taste to the fried rice. Whatever fried rice you are making, either egg fried rice or chicken fried rice or garlic fried rice, spring onion is a very must ingredient. Bell peppers or capsicum, I have no words about it. The crunch and the flavor of this vegetable can take your dish to the next level, and especially when you are adding this vegetable to your fried rice. These green chilies are totally optional. I'm adding it because I really like the flavor. A lot of fresh chopped garlic I'm gonna use. Garlic is good for health. You can chop it by either way, either by hand or the way I'm doing it. I am taking 3 full tablespoons of chopped garlic, frying in the oil till it gets golden color. Now separate this garlic from the oil. In the same pan, you add the same garlic oil. Add some chopped carrots and fry it on a high flame. Fry all the vegetables on a high flame. If you slow down the flame, the vegetable gets soggy, and we don't want that. Here I am adding the boiled leftover rice. I put it into the fridge last night and today I'm using it. Remember, never ever make your fried rice with the freshly prepared rice. Always cook it, boil it, put it into the fridge, and when it gets cold, then make your fried rice. Fried rice is all about frying. The more you fry, the more flavor you'll get. I put the chicken stock cube in the freezer so it can be crushed like this. This stock is also optional. If you don't want to use it, it's okay, still you will get a very tasty fried rice. On the final stage, add your fried garlic. And give it a good mix. Now switch off the flame and add your spring onions. And you don't need to cook it anymore. Just mix a little bit. Wow, the tasty garlic fried rice is ready. Do let me know about this recipe in the comments. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share the recipe. You can have it with fried chicken or fried prawns, even with fried beef. It also tastes amazing as it is.